Hey, what's going on? This is Anthony. This is Vidi. This is week 11, trade 5, I believe. I think it's trade 5. So, yeah, Euro GPB. I already did a review on the one that I did last night. So, we're just going to do a top down analysis again. First, I need to check the news. Oh, man. Let me look at my trading plan. See some things that I didn't do yesterday. So, let me go to the I don't have to do a whole top down analysis because nothing has changed in 24 hours on a monthly. Nothing has changed on a weekly. Well, let me just go see. So I'm about to do a check on the weekly just to see what's going on. For some reason on my screen, the moving averages moved up top. I don't know what I pressed or what I did, but maybe they can stay where they're at. Let me move this down. So I'm on a weekly chart for my moving averages. I don't know why they're up here. I pressed something to make them move up there. Uh, it may be a good thing that they're up there. It's not all in my way. Uh, well, it may be a good thing. So the 50 is over the 9. Still downtrend. The 50 is over the 9. The 200 is over the 50 downtrend. It is divergence. It is clear divergence on the weekly. I didn't catch this before. Hold on. Oh, shit. Some divergence on the weekly. Yeah. Price is about to push up. See if I draw a line. Yeah. So basically, the indicator is moving up clearly, uptrend, but yet price is going down. Am I looking at this right? Price is going down. I mean, how the hell I didn't see that before? All right, so I got a little group chat thing here on my phone. I got a camera right here recording the screen, and I'm just waiting on a few people to get in. A few people who want to get on this. I'm not a teacher or anything like that. I'm just recording my journey of trading. So I'm looking for my pencil real quick. So on the weekly, it's big divergence. So prices are basically about to shoot up on upward divergence. This divergence has been happening for a while. Shit. It's been happening for divergence has been happening for 1, 2, 3, for like 2, 3, 4 months. About to be a big push to the upside. That's something to look out for, something to think about. Uh, Let me look at my lines. Actually, what I see right now, I'm about to say I knew I drew a line. I was like, where's my line at? So I have a line drawn that's representing this channel. See, oh, this is what this is about to do. This is what Euro USD did one time, and I didn't see it. I didn't see it at the time because I was like fresh and new. But basically, price is going to spike out of here. It's going to be a big push to the upside, and I'm be leery of that. Be mindful of that. Making sure my trend line is on the wicks of these candles. I probably have to redraw it. Yeah, I have to redraw this line. I probably locked it. Yeah, it's like so. I'm about to redraw this line. So this, okay. I got two people that popped up on the chat. Uh, so I got my phone right there recording to my left, and my screen is recording as well. So you guys can text questions. I'm not a teacher. I'm just recording my trade. So if you got any questions, if I can answer it, then I will. But I'm not like a teacher or anything like that just yet. All right. So zoom in. I can bring this line up a lot further. It's poorly drawn, actually. I don't, uh, know why I would draw a line so shitty. I must have been tripping that day. Hold on. Yeah, it's a shitty line. Get it on this last candle. I got a bars pattern in my way. I can't hardly see. I could bring it up a little. I'm not going to form it on the candle forming, even though I could, but I'm just going to do it on the last candle that formed. All right, so this is a good line. And I'm going to bring it down to make sure it's touching these three lines right here. I'm going to bring it down a little further. Bring my trend line down a little further so it could touch all the wicks. Wicks. Okay, Daniel asks what I'm trading. This is a Euro GPB. So the Euro, Great British Pound. Just put any question in the group chat. If I can answer it, I will. So I got two people. You know, the ideal thing is to actually be doing the exact same thing I'm doing, which is marking up your own chart. You know, so people should be doing. Hold on. All right, so this is a good line. Let me lock it and bold it out for the weekly. So looks like I can draw this line a little better, but basically price is channeling down. What's this? What's the pattern right here? This is price is channeling down, and it's going to be a huge push to the upside because we got divergence on the MACD, and also the RSI. If I draw a line right here, then you can see that price is going up as well on the RSI. Yeah. So, I mean, it's clearly an uptrend on the RSI, and but yet price is going down. You see, so I mean that's clear as day. What's going to happen with that? So that's something to be mindful of. So that's something to be mindful of. I'll be looking for a push up once price breaks this zone. Let me make sure. That's why I got to make sure these lines are drawn very, very tightly because we're in divergence right now, uh, and I want to see if price is breaking. Let me zoom in to see what price is doing for this structure right here. Uh, the fibs is kind of in my way. But yeah, price is basically respecting this structure. I mean, even the candle that it's on right now, uh, this candle is, yeah. I mean, we could see a push on this candle, but I doubt it. You see, we was in divergence, and this candle right here. What month was this? Uh, this month right here, which was September. This is the weekly. Okay, so September 27th, price actually tried to break this structure, and it couldn't. So that's something to be mindful of. I'm spending too much time on this time frame. So let me go to the next one. So we're going down to the daily. Nothing has really changed. Like I said in the previous video, if you just go to my page, like I said, I'm not a teacher or anything, but I'm just recording my journey. I just had somebody else join the chat. So we got 3 people in the chat. Um, if you go to my page, I just record all my trades and, so I can go back and take a look at them. I think it's better than journaling. You can just watch a damn video. That's just me though. Uh, but last time on the daily, uh, let me up to my moving average. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. So last time, which is about 24 hours ago, on the daily, the 200 was over the 50. That's still happening, and the 9 was over the 50 recent cross. Still in a recent cross. So we're in an overall downtrend, but that's not true necessarily because we have divergence on a weekly. Now check it out on the monthly. See, on the monthly, the 50 is over the 200. So that's an uptrend. It's a strong uptrend. You see what I'm saying? And that's why I believe that divergence is coming in on a weekly because the monthly time frame holds more weight. So, okay, Chris says, what is divergence? Yeah, it's basically when price is going one way and the indicator is going the other way. So basically what's going to end up happening is price is going up reflecting what the indicator is doing. So it's a move to watch out for. The way I've been trained on how to look at this stuff. All right, so no divergence as you can see. The price is following both indicators clearly. Let me see. I have my zones drawn on the weekly and a day in the monthly. The way I've been trained is to only draw it on those. I will draw small zones once I get into price. Once we get into the 1 hour, because that's probably where I actually start doing some of my drawings. Extended markup. All right, so the MACD is going through the histogram. Daily green is going through the histogram. Yeah, I mean we still can profit off of it. Price going up. This is the daily. Okay. Let me look at my my lines. uh, I don't see why I don't have a daily line drawn, but I do have it drawn right here. Let's see what price been doing with this daily line that I drew, this trend line. Uh, let's see. Yeah, Daniel says, "Why is my background black?" It's black because that's the way that I set it up. I can see price. I can see everything better. Some people have it as all white, but I can just see things better when it's all black in the background. So, all right. So, yeah, this line is drawn all fucked up. I must have been. It must have been late because I'd be staying up late studying this shit. So hold on right quick. I had to redraw this line heavy. I mean, this line is totally drawn wrong. Um, Maybe I accidentally moved it. So, but when you're drawing the lines based on the way I've been trained, uh, it needs to hit as many wicks as possible. So I need to bring this line up. Boom. All right. So Daniel, no, I draw it to the wicks. I know some people draw it to the bodies. They do the bodies. I mean, I think that works too. But I'm just going off the way I've been trained to do this. So I probably have to get more precise. So I'm about to zoom in on this candle to make sure it's touching these both of these lines. I see that it is. And so when you're drawing these lines based on the way I've been trained, you need to zoom in and make sure it's touching. I probably can extend this out slightly. And again, for the people watching live, like I said, where I'm at, it may go all black, it may go pitch black, but you'll still be able to see the chart um, because it's like these motion sensors where I'm at. So it may go all black in 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So, all right. So this is a good trend line right here because it's touching. I'm trying to get the extended part of these candles. Because remember, we're going to have a huge breakout to the upside soon. So I want to make sure these candles got to be, I mean, these trend lines have to be, it's probably better if they're as accurate as possible. Boom. So I'll leave it there. I bold it out to this level here to represent my daily line since I'm on a daily. My daily line color is red. So either you can color it or you can label it. You don't have to color it. Some people just label it the monthly. It's a way in TradingView to actually label each line where you don't have to color it, whatever your thing is. Let me see if I should draw a monthly line. I don't think I have to because this blue line is so accurate to where price is. I don't have to. And hold on. I may want to redraw. No, this is on the daily. Nah. I do have some zones drawn right here on the daily, but I probably need to delete them. Let me delete these. Well, actually, let me keep that where let me go back and keep that. Oh god. Hope this didn't move my trend line. All right, fuck it. All right. So I don't have to spend a whole lot of time on this because I already did a top down analysis yesterday. And you can watch the videos on the YouTube page. All right, so let's go down to the H4. Thomas. Yeah, I've been doing this for like this is my 11th week actually trading. So just learning how this stuff works basically. Uh, okay, hold on. I can't see nothing. All right, so now we're on H4, and I keep this card right here where I write down all the information so I can go back to it because when you're in the heat of the moment, you got to make a decision that's going to make you money or not. You have to know the previous analysis. So, oh, hold on. Is this? I thought this looked like divergence. I mean, but it's not. If I draw a line here, this is a downtrend. This is downward movement, even though price is moving up. That's why the RSI is more accurate. So, actually, I like that my moving averages is up here. So on H4, the 9 is over the 50. That's still going on. The 50 is over the 200. That's still going on. No divergence. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so I've been trading triangles lately. Triangle patterns, triangles, pennants, reverse pennants. It's been exciting. I was on the 5 minute chart up to 2 a.m. last night. Shit was exciting, man. Price just moving all over the place. All right, so now we're about to go down to H1 where I'm probably gonna do most of my drawings, look for an entry, and then I'm gonna zoom in to the 5 minute or the 15 minute and make an entry, a precise entry. Um, I do need to check I don't want to check the news, but this is what I'm supposed to do, the way I've been trained. So let me just fucking do it. I don't really understand how to correlate the news into this just yet, but I just need to make a habit of at least looking at it. And I label this tab right here billions. I just got this. I like the show Billions, so I just label it billions. All right, so let's go to the economic calendar. Uh, so I'm on the economic calendar. I'm going to click on today just to see what we have. So the way I've been trained, you have like a base and then you have a quote. So the euro is the base and the GPB is the quote. So I'm still trying to understand exactly what that means. And then it was real simple, but why does it say Thursday? Today is, oh, that's right. I guess in Europe, is it like a day ahead? Wow. Okay, so this is medium. Oh, this is high news right here. Macroeconomics projections for Europe. The euro. What is this? Euro area, Italy. That's part of Europe too, right? I gotta watch a video on how to like incorporate this stuff. I just know a lot of technical analysis, but I need to incorporate macro. The macro is a part of my strategy. Uh, okay. I mean, Let me just go back, man. I don't even know what I'm looking at really. All right, so we're about to go down to H1 where we're going to do a lot of zones and setups for the 15-minute or 5-minute entry. Or I may just take a play on the 1 hour. Who knows? I have previous drawings on here from when I was up at 2 a.m. last night. I actually won 3 trades yesterday, so I feel good. And today will be the fourth. I'll probably win this trade before I get home or when I leave the gym, and then I'll place another one. I need to hit a certain pip goal a day. All right, so let me see what we got going on an hour. I'm trying to see, is this good for my moving averages to be up top? All right. I'm gonna have to delete these fibs, even though I don't like deleting my history. But I can't see shit. God damn, I had a lot of fibs on here. I think most of the stuff is from the 5-minute. Jesus, I got like 6 fibs on here. Okay, so this is a ghost pattern I drew yesterday. Price didn't follow this ghost pattern. I'm glad I got out. I would have been a huge drawdown. I had my finger on the close position button like a trigger finger last night. It was fun. All right, so let me delete these ghost patterns. I'll leave this one on here just so I can see what I did to win. Oh, that's a ghost pattern on the 5-minute. All right, so let me delete. See what's going on here. No clean Fibonacci to draw. I could do an extension. Let me look at my trading plan. Pivot points. Okay, so pivot points. Price is, what's the direction? Still in consolidation slightly. It is moving up, but we on that second set of stairs. It kind of look like stairs right here. This is the first flight. We move down. Let me see if I can see any patterns. It looks like we're in a pennant again. Um, Let me see. Did I already draw this? I think I already drew this. No. Yeah, I was trying to draw it yesterday. This looks like a pennant, which is a continuation pattern to the upside. That would make sense because the 9 is over the 50 and the 50 is over the 200. That's just based on the past. Um, okay, so I see a trend line drawn right here. Let me. Hold on right quick. I drew a trend line here. Where's the rest of my line? I think I got to zoom out. Why did I draw this line? It's all off. Let me redraw this. So, okay, yeah, here's the line right here. Oh shit, hold on. Price is coming down to the daily line that I drew previously, which is a major structure line. So, see, in this situation right here, I think this is how I won last night. Price was basically been respecting this area. It's been respecting this line right here. I may have to redraw it slightly. Hold on. Derek. Yeah, hopefully you can see it. I got my computer on an angle, but this is a monthly trend line. This is not for the current time frame I'm on. So all right, about to zoom in just to kind of see what price is doing. Make sure I have this line drawn correctly because it's going to be really important. See, price kept trying to break this line, but it kept respecting it. So this is how I made a trade last night. I went long on this one because look at this shit. Price just been respecting this area crazy. I mean, this shit is like so precise. I guess I just love math. I don't know. But look at this. If you can see this on the camera, price just been respecting that line. I mean, so I'm going to leave the line where it's at, go back and bold it out. Monthly, weekly, daily. So, boom. All right. So, I can't wait 3 hours for this line to touch. But see, this is where overall analysis comes in. We are in divergence. So, uh, divergence is on the weekly, which is a higher time frame. Price is going down on the weekly, but the indicator is going up. So basically, price is going to eventually push up strongly. You see, you see how this shit works now. That's why we got to look at the higher time frames and make a judgment based on that to kind of see why all this makes sense. So it makes sense that we're in an uptrend and it's been respecting that line, even though it's trying to push down. It's been respecting this line, so I kind of don't see why it wouldn't continue that. Now it could break through. It could break through. So in this situation, um, actually, let's take a look at this shit. Um, Look at what price did every time it was approaching the weekly line, the daily line. This is where the shit get exciting to me. I'm sorry. All right, so look at this. It's prowling down like a lion on prey. It's coming down to this line. So I'm thinking right now in my mind, I'm thinking I could take a short. I could take a short to this line. I could take a short to this line. You see, if if that don't make sense to anybody, let me know, and I'll explain my thought. I can take a short to this line, which is 100 and it's not 103 pips right there. That's what I'm thinking right now because I mean, it didn't broke a few times. It could break through, but it's just gonna swing back around. Actually, I don't want my moving averages up here. So hold on, because I don't want my moving averages up here. So let me see if I can somehow move these back down. I don't know what I pressed. What the fuck I did. Hold on. Oh god. Moving average. Uh I need the moving average on I want the moving average back on my price. So hold on, let me try to move it down. Because this helps me see what's going on better than it being up top. Merge down. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Merge down. Boom. Moving average, merge down. Boom. All right. So what, I still have this black space up here. What is this about? Okay, I think this area is up here just in case I want to move him back up top. All right, so let me take off the 800-day moving average. All right, so 50. Okay, so where was I? Oh, so going long. So basically, price may break through this line, which is fine. I believe it's going to respect this line. It's not going to push down heavy because remember, we're in divergence on the weekly. See how this shit's starting to come together? If that don't make sense, just put it in the chat. Just ask a question in the chat. I'll answer. I'm not a teacher. I'm just recording my own trade. But I mean, if you got a question, I can answer it. I will. I'll answer. So I'm going to go ahead and take a short based on what I'm seeing. Um, Let me do the bars pattern. So what I'm about to do is draw a pattern based on what price did in the past for, and I'm gonna do it on the worst case scenario. See right here? Actually, you know what? This is what it looks like right here. This is what it look like price is probably about to do right here. But you know what? I'm going to do the bars pattern for this one right here. This little move right here, I'm going to do it for this one right here. So let me do the bars pattern. Okay, bars pattern. I'm going to do it for here, from here to here. Boom. We're going to come over here and boom. You see that? Let me zoom in. Boom. So price may break this line. So I'm going to go ahead and go short. Before I do that, I want to zoom in on a lower time frame just to see what this candle is doing. See what I'm saying? Let me make this a little more less visible so I can see. It's all the way lit. I gotta make it kind of in the background. So what I want to do is zoom in on this red candle, which is a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and make an entry on a lower time frame. So my direction is down to this line, which is a major structure line. And now I want to go into the 15-minute and then the 5-minute just to see what's going on inside of that red candle. I've been learning from a guy named Stevenson Linder. Okay, so as we look on the lower time frame, actually I need to draw some trend lines. It's about to get dark. There we go. If you still can see, the camera is still on the screen. So you still should be able to see people in the group chat with 2 or 3 people. So I'm looking at the lower time frames to see what the direction is, making sure the movement is down. You see, now here we're in an uptrend based on the 15-minute, but it's about to end because these two are getting a lot closer. We still could push down to this line, even though it's in an uptrend based on the moving averages, based on the past. I think it's definitely coming to this line. The only reason why is because look at the angle. It angled out right here. It angled out. But a smarter thing probably would be to do is to wait until price past this line right here. I would make less. But this is like a major line right here, a monthly. This is my week daily line. So this is where it gets interesting and stuff. So what did price do last time? It was like this. What did price do when the yellow? Let's look and see what price did. Not that the past represents the future, but let's see what price did when the orange passed over the yellow. So when it was orange, green, yellow. So let me see, orange, green, yellow. See if we can find anything. Orange, green, yellow. Because I'm basically what I'm trying to do right now. This is just my own. I'm not saying this is a good thing. This is just I just want to see what price did in the past. Because what's about to happen is orange is going to be above the green, and then it's going to be under the yellow. So I want to see orange, green, yellow. See if I can find anything. Orange, green, yellow. Okay, so look at this right here. Look at this. Golden cross. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going to the downside all day. Check this out. This shit is crazy. Look at this. Soon as we had a golden cross, what Steven Cylinder called a golden cross, we had a huge spike down. I'm actually gonna put a great stop loss at that line. Actually, I'm gonna put a nice little stop loss. This is a trade I can make based on my analysis, what I'm seeing, and I don't even have to watch this bad boy. You know, but when it was orange, green, yellow, we had a break to the downside, and price broke through this daily line, which is a daily line that's coming up where we are right now. And this shit is incredible. This shit is incredible. So this is what we're. It's gonna be a huge move downward. Um, I mean, just look right here: orange, green, yellow. When the orange was over the green and the green was over the yellow. Let me make sure that's correct. Hold on. You know what? I think I should wait until these two actually cross on a 15 minute. Now, if I zoom down to the 5 minute may be a little more exciting actually. Let me go down there to the 5 minute. The 5 minute be popping, boy. I was up on the 5 minute last night to like 2 a.m. just smiling the whole time because I won 3 trades in a row, and that was fun. All right, so let me zoom out. Where's my trend line? Okay, so where the fuck is my trend line at? Man, this damn thing. Let me refresh this thing, see if it'll show my damn daily trend line. I don't know why it's not showing it. We about to take this short play, baby. Put that stop loss and that take profit based on what I'm seeing. Let me make sure. How do I know that price will push down? On a daily, see, let me see if it'll show my line on the 5 minute. If not, I'll go back up to the If you got any questions, put it in the group chat. Nobody asks any questions. You still can see the screen, right? If you can see the screen, just put a one in the chat, because I have, even though it's dark, you still can see the screen because the lights cut off after 20 minutes if no movement is happening. Hold on, right quick. Okay. Okay, now I'm starting to get pissed off. Let me go back to the 15 minute. 5 minute acting up. I'm looking for my daily trend line. That's what I was looking for. Whatever. It's showing on the 15 minutes, so we'll stay here. All right, so see, what's happening is this is what's happening right now, based on what I'm seeing. Price is basically going like this. It's going to keep pulling back. Boom, 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 boom. It's going to bounce off of there and then go back up. You see what I'm saying? It's going to respect this line because price is basically is peaking. You know what? Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on right quick. See, this will happen when you study these goddamn charts like I do. I just be staring at this shit all day. Especially not all day, but uh let me show you something real quick. I see a pattern. I see a pattern. I see a pattern forming. I think this is called a double cup. Oh shit, this is gonna be my first time trading this shit. Hold on right quick. What is this? Nah, I don't. This looks like a double cup. Let me look at my notes. Oh, this shit is awesome, man. All right. Looking at my notes. Can y'all still see the chart even though it's dark? I got my other phone pointed at the camera screen, and I'm recording the screen too, by the way. So you can go back to the site and check this out. All right. So damn, my brain just be picking up on shit. uh, I'm looking for. I have a screenshot of my phone of patterns on a chart, all the patterns that can form on a chart, which is extremely valuable. Here it is, right here. Boom. So it's called a cup and handle. That's what the shit is called. Um, it looks like that's what's forming now, but actually, yeah, it looks like that's what's forming. A reversal. This is a reversal pattern. Hold on. Oh shit. Hold on right quick. I don't know if this is all the way correct because hold on. Because this looks like I see a few double cups, inverted cup. No, it's double cup. It's called a cup and handle. Um, I don't think that's what's going on. This is not a cup and handle. It looked like it, but I'm just making my analysis for the move to the downside. Uh, like I said, I think I should probably really get in when these two cross. I think I should just wait and just kind of look around and do some stuff because, yeah, see this right here? You know what? I'm not going to wait because I'm going to miss all of that move right there. Oh, look at this motherfucker trying to push down. Let me go ahead and put a buy sell order in. All right, quick. I'm not about to miss that move because this shit about to spike down heavy when we get this golden cross in. I'm about to put a buy sell order in right now. Yep. I'm about to catch that. All right, so let me put a buy. Hold on. God damn. All right, quick. I'm trying to see the most units I can get. I know I'm doing this wrong as well, probably, because I look back at this video. I'm like, what were you doing in the future? But this is, I'm just trying to, I won't let me get okay, 9,500, 800, 9,700. Won't even let me get a whole fucking mini lot. 9,600. All right, so 9,650. Just don't tell me this shit pushing down already. Yeah, I'm about to catch this move. Fuck that. Let me put a sell stop order in. So I got my sell stop order in. Okay, so I went ahead and triggered. Um, yeah, I'm catching this move. Fuck that. So what I got to do now is, I mean, it's literally sometimes it'll spike down right after the cross or right a little bit before it or right after it. So what I'm about to do now is put my, I may do something right now where I put my stop loss in profit. Also, what I can do is draw a Fibonacci on here. This is what I'm seeing as well. Let me look at the. Okay, so see, I could draw two fibs right here. Let me delete this. I could draw a major structure, which is what I'm about to do. I did this last night as well. So this is a major structure fib based on this. um, price right now is at a consolidation level, 23.6%. That's what That's what usually happens around 23.6%. So we bet on price going up. I'm good either way with this trade, to be honest, because I can get out um, at any moment above this line right here. So I would actually have to get out. No, actually, I would have to get out soon because price wouldn't be pushing down any further. So this is a move I probably have to watch until I leave. Actually, uh, but I really don't have to if I put my stop loss and everything in order. Um, Actually, this major structure fib is not really telling me that much. Um, I just drew it, but I'm about to delete it. I'm going to zoom in and uh, I see an area I do see a little bit of pullback and everything. So I could draw a fib here from here to here. It may be more accurate on a 5 minute. So I'll make this my major structure fib, and then I'll zoom in on a 5 minute. See what I can find. So I'm betting on price going back up. So, uh-oh. Oh shit, this is crazy. I'm seeing something right here. I'm seeing something. I mean, I'm in drawdown right now, but you can see that's just pulling back. It's gonna, pull back down and touch my line, which is down here. Now check this out. Um, let me actually, since I'm taking an entry on this one, I'm about to delete this, and I'm about to do a ghost pattern for this 15-minute chart. Yeah, I'm about to do a ghost pattern for this 15-minute chart. Trying to find one that's similar, but let me go and do a ghost bars for this right here. This is what I'm predicting. This is just cold as ice how this shit works. Now I'm about to explain something I just learned recently. Hold on. All right, so we could say price is right here, peak on the peak of this ghost pattern. Boom. All right, so check it out. Price is going up, right? It's going to hit this trend line, bounce up. It can come all the way down here. I mean, shit, it done did this what 4 or 5 times, right? One, two, 3, 4, and it did that already a few times already. So this is why I'm kind of like tripping right now in a good way. The way I've been trained is if price pulls back below 50% on a Fibonacci, hold on, let me redraw my line. If price pulls back below 50% on a Fibonacci, the chances of it hitting TP2 is extremely high, which is 61.8 or 27. This is how I won my trade last night as well. So what I'm about to do now is draw a ghost pattern for the 60 for it to reach the 61.8. This shit is awesome, man. So I drew one ghost pattern, so let me draw another one to reach the 61.8. Well, we got to see what price did when at there. What did it do when it hit this? It hit the daily line. The price tried to push back up extremely strong. So what I'm about to do is draw a ghost pattern for. I think this looks accurate. Draw a ghost pattern for here to here. Boom. Bottom of this move. Boom. Boom. Check that out. Feel like Jessica Lange on this motherfucker. So it probably will hit negative 61.8, but it's definitely gonna hit 0%. Cause see, it may come down to 0%, It may come to 0% and stop. What I also have to do is draw a few fibs based on previous structure to kind of get an idea too. So this is my ghost pattern for what I expect. And that's interesting, how I drew that. Definitely 100%. It may go to negative, but the way I've been trained, and even some of the videos with some of my other teachers, if price push breaks through the 50% and retraces back up, the chances of it hitting negative 61.8 is extremely high. I'm not even trying to catch that move. I'm just trying to catch this right here. So let me go ahead and draw my short position uh, estimator. Short position. Okay, so I'm in at 572. You guys got any questions? Hold on quick. I've been ignoring the chat. Don. Yeah, the ghost pattern is you have to be subscribed to a company called tradingview.com, and you can get that. Or if you set up your account with a company called Oanda, they give you a limited version of TradingView, but it's pretty nice, for free. I think it's basically the lowest tier version they have, but so you don't get all the features. But all right, so that's the only question I have in the chat. All right, so back to the trade. Oh, this shit is exciting. Okay, so um, boom. So the trade is going to play out somewhere in between here. Now, I need to put my stop loss at the previous high, which would be this level here. Because you remember, I'm not being cocky or anything. Any fucking thing can happen with this shit, But based on the past, based on patterns, based on symmetrical patterns, and and the Fibonacci and everything. Oh shit! Hold on, quick. Price is coming down to the 38.2 now. Price is coming down to the 38.2, which is a key reversal area. Now, if I really wanted to wait, I would have waited to see what price did when it got down to the 38.2. But let's just look at the past. What it don't mean that price is going to do the same thing. But let's just see what price did when it was about to come down. Let's see if price was ever on this kind of arc and it went straight up. Maybe it did. Let's see. Maybe it did. So let me lighten this up. This is a ghost pattern on a 5-minute chart I was having fun with late last night. All right, so see this arc? Let's see if price reversed and went straight up when it was approaching that daily trend line. Maybe it did. I'm not saying, I'm not cocky at all, because you can't be with this. You just got to go based on probabilities. So every time price was arcing down, hold on, let me look for another yellow, green, yellow. Let me see. Yellow, green, yellow. I'm sorry. Let me look for another orange, green, yellow. Boom. Orange, green, yellow. Now look. We had a golden cross right here. Price didn't spike down like I would expect it, but it definitely, it damn sure moved down. You see that? Hold on. We had a golden cross right here, which is exactly what's about to happen where price is now. Let me go back to it. We have a spike down right here. We see that clearly. But that's just one thing we got to continue to back test to see. Um, Also, let me note another thing. Also, price is channeling along this line, so we're gonna have a huge spike up, or it may just continue. But this price continuing on this line makes sense because remember, we got divergence on the fucking weekly, which is a major reversal sign. Price is going down on the weekly, but on the indicator is going up. So price is eventually going to go up, is what I'm trying to say. So the momentum is secretly, slowly but surely going up, even though we retracing down and all this shit. Price trying to break the trend line and coming back up. And this trend line is basically acting like a magnet, which is on major structure, by the way. um, okay, so let me go back to what I was doing before I went off on a rant. If you got any questions, put them in the chat. All right, so I'm looking for orange, green, yellow. That's what I'm looking for. All right. Now we already saw when I had orange, green, yellow, price spike down right here. But that's just one. Example. So orange, green, yellow, price didn't spike down right here, but it damn sure went down to the red line, which is what I'm expecting. Number two. Let's see if we can find another one. Orange, green, yellow. Boom. Number three. Price spiked down. You see that? A big ass red candle. Talk to me nice. I'm just confirming price could do anything, but I'm just confirming reason why I went short. We about to have a golden cross. The orange is about to be over the green. Either it's going to be a big spike down or it's going to be heavy candles down to that trend line, which is going to reverse back up. And I'm be in and out of this bad boy. And I'm be in the gym working out with a smile on my face. He said, what gym do you go to? I go to a gym. It's called Equinox. And I go to another one as well, Go's Gym. Anyway, yeah, so there's three examples of hold on, orange, green. There's three examples right there of orange, green, yellow. So I haven't seen any other my instructors teach that. I'm not saying that's what you should do. It's just I didn't see price go against these patterns of. Let me see if I can find anything in the past. Even further back than this, when price was spiking up. That'd be interesting. Even my drawdown has came down because price. Let me look at the MACD real quick. Look at where the momentum is. Uh, okay. Boom. Expected. Price. The momentum is downward. Right. Great indication. The only thing I don't like so far is that the cross did happen. We are in a downtrend, but it's above the MACD, but it's crossing down past the 0% line, which is a good sign. And the momentum is downward. I do have an indicator on here called volume, which I want to take a look at because sometimes we can see the volume in the candles with this indicator. Where is it? Okay, it's about to go pitch black. There we go. All right. So my volume indicator is where? I must have deleted it by accident. Let me add it again. Insert indicator. Volume. I'll see you later. I must have deleted it by accident. All right, so what I'm about to do is zoom into the area where we are and look at the volume just to make sure the volume is pushing down. Um, so let me zoom in. It's just indicators. I mean, I just like how you could just zoom in so closely with this. Okay, so it doesn't do volume for the candle. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, so look at this. I'm looking for the momentum, the volume. I keep getting volume and momentum mixed up. I'm looking for the volume in these red candles. Um, There was a lot of volume in this candle right here, trying to push price up. Yeah, it's momentum to try to push this bad boy up. It's more green candles than red, but I'm really waiting on this group. Once this golden cross happens, it's a wrap. It's a wrap for that ass. Now what I can do is I can zoom down to the 5 minute and see what's going on with the indicators. Okay, so see here on the 5 minute, we already had the golden cross, but it looks like it's trying to go back into an uptrend on the 5 minute. So that's something to think about, and that makes sense because it's more green candles than red on a 15 minute. Look at that. I'm in drawdown, man. It's actually kind of funny because price definitely coming down to that. Price definitely coming down to the to that line. Let me zoom out. Let me go back to the 15 minute to see something. Damn, look at what price did right here. It looked like it was a damn downtrend. See, and it had to go back into correction. This looked like this was news right here. This is news, looks like, but it may have been a breakout of a pennant. It looks like this was probably a pennant right here. It's a triangle pattern. You know what? Do I see a head and shoulders pattern? Hold on right quick. I have to see some kind of pattern that's going to justify price shooting back up to the upside. So what I'm about to do now is turn on my line. I may see a head and shoulders pattern on a higher time frame. So I may have to zoom out to the 30 or the hour chart. I think I'm going to see a reverse. Let me see. I think I'm going to see a what pattern? Oh, you know what? Let me see. Head and shoulders, that's a pattern. Daniel, that's a pattern that forms on these with these structures. But I just want to make sure that price never reversed up when it was acting like it was going to creep down to this line. Now, right here, that was too early to tell. We're more than 50% on this arc right here. This is why I was confident to take the trade as well. So let me see last time it arc. See right here. See right here is not that valid because price tried to shoot up to the upside, but we wasn't on an arc. See, arc. See, I think price is going to do exactly what this is doing right here. Literally, literally is going to do it. I'm actually going to highlight this area. So what I'm going to do is highlight that area, um, and I'm actually going to draw the same area here, and then I'm going to draw a arrow to symbolize this is. I think price is going to do the same thing on both. Put the money to your earlobe. Motherfucker sneezing and shit. Oh man, I can't wait to go to the gym tonight and fuck shit up. Oh yeah, people in the chat. I guess this is irrelevant, but if you want to check out my podcast, just look up the hashtag Elegant Body Magic. Somebody asked something about fitness, but I do fitness instruction and stuff. But anyway, back to these fucking charts. So, uh, all right. So let me actually place my entries and everything. I didn't finish that part. I'm just looking on this chart right here to see if price, when did price actually arc down, acting like it was headed towards this trend line, but it didn't, and it went right back up. That's what I'm looking for. I don't see shit, so it ain't happening. Well, it might, but let me lighten this up. This is too dark. I can't really see anything. All right. Let me see. I'm looking for a pattern. I'm looking for a cup and handle. Um, let's see if I draw a cup and handle here. I'm looking for. Let me actually do a Google search for uptrend cup and handle. See what I can find. Uptrend cup and handle. Oh, this shit is so dope. This trading shit is just okay. Uptrend cup and handle pattern. Boom. So what I sometimes do, what I learned from Steven Cylinder, he talked about stuff being textbook. He said, "While you in a trade, instead of being confused, just fucking Google the patterns that you see. You got to be confused about when you can just do a quick Google search." Yippee. Uptrend cup and handle pattern. So I'm about to look at these pictures to see if I can find a cup and handle pattern on an uptrend. Mm, this is what I'm looking for right here. I think I could find a cup and handle pattern because I just have to draw it out. Maybe I have to look at the bigger picture, or I may have to go in a higher time frame. That's probably what I have to do. This is what I'm looking for right here on a trend line. Somebody asked a question. Yeah, basically it's called a cup handle pattern. So um, basically once price respects the trend line, it'll just pop. It'll just shoot right up. Uh, I'm really looking for one that's similar to what the pattern, the structure that I'm in right now. All right, let me go back to the trade, see what's going on. Yeah, my drawdown is still down. Now I have to use the restroom. I have to go use the restroom real quick and come back. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Be right back in about 10 minutes. Gotta turn on my music player so my screen don't go. So if you guys can hold on, I have to use the restroom. The 2 or 3 people that's in the chat, if you can just wait like 10 minutes, I'll be right back. I have to use the restroom. I'm trying to turn on my media player so the screen won't go black. They mess up the recording. All right, there we go. king is back. The champ is here. All right. All right. So what I need to do now is oops. Let me zoom in. I need to put my stop loss in. Oh, price is almost at my stop loss. I would have been pissed off if it would have hit my stop loss when I came back. Oh man, that would have been terrible. All right. So based on this ghost pattern, let's see. Let's see what price did last time it came back to this line. Just looking one more time. It either broke through or wicked out. Broke through or wicked out. I'm not even betting on it wicking out. I mean, breaking through, but it might. So we see that price wicked out one time, all the other times, well, twice. All the other times, so one, two, no, shit. I may be better off. One, two, three, four, four, five, six. Six times priced and wicked out. I mean, and went out the zone, but I'm not even going to bet on it doing that. I'm just going to bet on it wicking out. So let me lock this. Let me lock this fib too, so it won't move. I want to draw a fib on minor structure as well, meaning the 5 minute time frame, just to see what I could see. Basically, betting on my chances of it coming down to this line. I do have two obstacles in my way. Let me put on pivot points. So I'm gonna see if I got any major pivot points in my way. Hopefully I don't. Oh, sweet. Oh, let me see. Uh, oh, I don't. Another good sign. I got a major, you know what? It's a major pivot point down here. And look at this. Look at this. Based on my ghost pattern, is literally right at the pivot point area. Just in case price break out of the zone. I'm not betting on it breaking out. You know, I'll miss out on damn 60 pips. But shit, I don't, I'm not betting on that. I'm betting on price not doing that, just wicking out, staying conservative. I could have got in once price came all the way up here. I could have waited. I probably should have waited for price to. I mean, it's 30 pips, 25. That's cool. Okay, so we're in the downtrend. The momentum is down. Let me go to the higher time frames just to verify my decision I just made again. On a 30-minute, we're in a cross. The momentum is down. Great sign. RSI down. Great sign. On a 30-minute, the trend is, oh, look at this. The trend is down, but we're about to have a cross. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're about to have we're about to have the 50 is about to cross over. See, once this shit happens, let's see what happened in it. Let's see. That's why I love this shit. Just let's do the math. Let's look. Let's take a look. What the hell did price do on a 30-minute chart now? What the hell did price do when the 50 crossed over the 200? So let's go and see what did price do. Um, where's my stop loss at? Okay, let's see what price did when it was green, orange, yellow. Let's see what price did. Derek just sent a message in the chat. Basically, these are moving averages. So the 50 and the 200 is what most institutional investors, traders use. We're retail traders. They're institutions. They're the ones that's making all this shit move based on the way I've been trained. So let me get back to this. So let's see what price did um, when we had green, orange, yellow. So let's just say green, orange, yellow. Green, orange, yellow. But I want to see what price did when we had this cross of yellow above the of orange above the yellow. So let's see if I can find anything. Orange above the yellow. That's what we're looking for. Orange above the yellow with the green at the top. Orange above the yellow with the green at the top. Look at this shit. This didn't even cross right here, and this shit still spiked up when it came even close. Oh, hold on. That's not a good sign. Hold on. Oh, Lord. But you know what? I probably already be out of my move once this happens. But this didn't even cross, so I don't even know. This is probably not even valid. But when these two got close, because right now it's really close, price just spiked up. So I definitely don't want it to fucking do that. Um, yeah, I don't want it to do that. But let me just see what happened when we actually had an actual cross of the orange over the yellow, a real cross. Because this spiked up like crazy, and we didn't even have a. I think this was new. This had to be news or something. It's not like normal because you see the market went back into a correction, the correction phase, which is price moving up along this daily line. That's what this is. The market recorrected itself. This fucking news. This is news or something like that. So I'm looking for a cross. Um, Look like price has been having a hard time actually crossing. I mean, right here it didn't even cross. But let's just take this right here because this isn't news or anything. So when price came closer, actually crossed above, well, it crossed right here. Yeah, price spiked up. I don't think this is, yeah, well, mm, this may not be looking too good for me based on what I'm seeing. Hold on. I don't think this is gonna happen though. But it could. Hold on. Orange. Orange above the yellow. Green above the yellow. Orange above the yellow. Green above the yellow. No, orange above the yellow. Yeah, so basically uptrend. And price. Yeah, when the green was above the yellow and the green and the orange was above the yellow. A recent cross. Green above the yellow, orange above the yellow. Crossing above the yellow. Yeah, price spiked up heavily. So it's gonna be interesting how this plays out because hold on. Based on what I'm seeing, when when this actually crossed, I don't think this is going to cross though because that would mean a huge spike up. So I think these two are just going to stay. Let me see. Let me see what price. Let me see what these moving averages actually did when it actually hit this red line. When it actually hit the red line, the yellow was still above the orange. Yellow, yellow, orange, green when it touched. Yellow, orange, green when it touched. Longest price was above the 200 it touched. This shit trying to push up. Longest price was below the 200 it pushed down. Longest price was above the 200 it pushed down. Oh, that's not true because it pushed down. Okay, so as long as price was above the 200 or the 50, it pushed down. As long as price was above the 200 or the 50, it pushed down. As long as price was above the 200 or the 50, it pushed down. Okay. I should have been doing all this analyzing before I got in. Longest price was above the 200 or the 50, it pushed down on the 30 minute. Let me see what we got here. As long as price was below the 200 or the 50, it pushed down. Price is above the 200 and the 50 on a 30-minute chart. Not looking too good on the 30-minute. It needs to be under the 200. It needs to be under this yellow line or the orange line for it to push down. right here it pushed. Well, really, it needs to be under this green line. Price push down. Yeah, the green line I meant, which is the 9-day exponential moving average. Yellow over the green. Yellow over the green. I mean, orange over the green. Orange over the green. It still pushed down right here, even though it was in the uptrend. All right, I think let me go down to the hour chart just to kind of look at this again. Oh shit! I need to be leaving right now. Let me place it straight. I need to leave like right now so I can catch the gym in time. So let me put my stop loss and everything in order. Shit, based on what I'm seeing, I probably need to put my stop loss higher than the previous high. It looked like it may do something unexpected, but it looks like it should follow this pattern. Let me go back down to the 15-minute. Hold on. Before I do that, let me go to the daily and see something real quick. See if I can draw a line to show me a head and shoulders pattern. See something. Probably H4 video about to end automatically in 15 minutes. I should have a trade placed by then. I gotta leave. I gotta bounce. It's a cup and handle right here. It's going the other way though. Now I need to start looking at candlestick analysis to see what's going on. Uh, okay, so something looks promising right here. This is a belt hold pattern right here on H4. So basically, this is a reversal pattern. Oh shit. Yeah, we going down to that line right there because see, this is where this candlestick analysis comes in. This is a bearish belt hold strategy. See that it doesn't have any wick. When I see this in an uptrend, this is a key sign of a reversal. This candle is going down. This next candle is definitely going down. Um, Let me look at my candlestick pattern just to make sure. I need to be good. I need to go. I need to go. Um, so basically, this looks like a morning star. This is a huge indecision candle. Um, this is an indecision candle. So so this looks like the pattern of this looked like the evening star pattern, but it's more that's a doji right there. Uh, yeah, so this is a good sign right here. The price is going down. This is the belt hold that formed in the uptrend. Now I'm about to go down to candles on the hour chart before the video ends in 10 minutes. Let me go down to the hour chart and see if I can find any other. Well, this isn't a good sign. This candle may go up, close up, because this is a belt hold pattern. These are two belt hold patterns that formed. Damn, this motherfucker trying to push up. God damn. Because see, this was some belt holds right here. One right there, then price reversed. Let me zoom in. I probably need to go all the way down to the 5 minute to really see what's going on. So now candlestick analysis is coming in when I found myself somewhat stuck. See, as bullish, bearish belt hold strategies, patterns coming into here. Yeah. Trying to push price up. So it actually may break my pattern that I drew out with the ghost. That'll be interesting. Yeah, it's trying to break up on the MACD. Hold on. Let me go down to the 5 minute, see what's going on. That's going to tell the real story. It's going to tell the true story. I mean, this is a hammer right here, a inverse. This is a inverted hammer. So a shooting star, basically, shooting price down. But I'm about to go ahead and set my targets in the video. I mean, so I'm about to do. So I got to run. I got to make sure my stop loss is in the right area. You know what? I'm putting my stop loss at the next pivot point. Yeah, keep it, put it right in between these two. We'll keep it right here. Now, I mean, shit, if price, let me see. Looking for my trend line before I end the video. I gotta run.